Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a word throughout an Excel document. In the document on my screen, I have the word total used a couple times on the first worksheet, and on the second worksheet I see it at the bottom of the list. I want to go ahead and replace the word total with the word sum all the way throughout this document. So what I'm going to do is go to my Home ribbon, go to Find and Select, and choose Replace. I'm going to choose to find the word total and replace it with the word sum. But now I need to click the Options button and make sure that it's looking within the entire workbook. You'll notice the default here is Sheet. So I'm going to change that to Workbook and then click Replace All. It's all done. Excel made 3 replacements. Let me click OK and close the Find and Replace dialog box to confirm. Okay, so here total was changed to sum, and on quarterly sales it was changed in both places as well. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert and I just showed you how to change a word throughout an Excel document.